Healthcare is one sector that touches everyone's life, but can it also be a wealth creator for investors? That's the idea behind the Bandhan Healthcare Fund. So let's see if this sector focused fund deserves a place in your portfolio in this in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this fund, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a sectoral equity fund that invests in companies from the healthcare space like hospitals, pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, diagnostics, and medical equipment. So the aim is to benefit from India's growing healthcare demand and global medical advancements. So as an NFO, the opening date for this fund is 10th November 2025 and closing date is 24th November 2025. Some of the key features of this fund are: this is an open-ended fund and it belongs to the category of equity sectoral pharma, and it has BSE Healthcare TRI as its benchmark index, and there is a 0.5% for redemption within 30 days for exit load, but there is no entry load. So the minimum investment required to invest in this fund is 1000 rupees, and the fund managers for this fund are Mr. Viraj Kulkarni and Mr. Brijesh Shah. And according to the riskometer, the risk involved in this fund is very high. So the primary investment objective of this fund is that it seeks to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing in equity and equity-related securities of pharmaceutical and healthcare companies. So now, as we have a basic idea about this fund, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to take a look at the pros and cons of investing in this fund. So let us start with the pros, the advantages. So number one, the growing healthcare sector potential. So rising population, lifestyle diseases, and medical needs make healthcare a long-term growth story. And number two, healthcare demand stays relatively stable even during economic slowdowns. And number three, including pharma, hospitals, diagnostics, and medical technology, this fund offers multiple growth avenues. So there is diverse exposure within the healthcare sector. And number four, because of the advances in biotechnology, digital health, and new medicines, it can even drive future wealth creation. So long-term growth is here driven by innovation. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages like sector concentration risk. Since this fund is limited to healthcare, diversification is low compared to the broader equity funds. And number two, this fund is sensitive to policy and regulation changes as well, like government price controls, approvals, and regulations can impact returns. Number three, higher expense ratio. Sectoral funds often come with higher costs compared to index or diversified funds. And number four, volatility due to global market factors. So pharma exports and global health trends can create short-term uncertainty. So what is the final takeaway from this? Is investing in the Bandhan Healthcare Fund worth it or not? So in short, Bandhan Healthcare Fund allows you to ride the growth and stability of the healthcare sector. But since it's a concentrated theme with higher risk and cost, it works better as a satellite holding, not the core of your portfolio. So always match it with your goals and risk tolerance before investing. So our personal recommendation is that if you are someone who's like a first time investor or even a conservative investor who's not willing to take a lot of risk, you should definitely avoid investing a thematic NFO like this. If you do want to invest in a theme like this, there are other similar existing thematic funds with a track record of 7 to 10 years where you would be able to take a calculated risk decision after analyzing how it has performed in the market cycle in the highs and lows. But here, without proper portfolio and research, investing in an NFO like this, and especially a thematic one like this, will be definitely risky and be like taking a blind risk. So if you're looking for funds for your core portfolio, definitely avoid investing in it, because if you invest and add it to your core portfolio and then it underperforms, it will definitely impact the overall returns as well. So even for a seasoned investor, predicting where to enter and exit from a thematic fund is a little bit difficult, so it's better to avoid invest. But if you want professional guidance, then you can consult with a financial planner who will look into the fund suitability, like investment objective, risk profile, overlap ratio, allocation, and then strategically guide you whether investing in this is a good move for your portfolio and your goals, and help you place better investment decisions for more better outcomes in the long term period. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.